Leafy green vegetables, such as spinach, are especially valuable for collagen support after 60. Spinach contains vitamin C, which is required for collagen synthesis, as well as vitamin K, which supports bone density and joint stability. Spinach is also rich in magnesium, a mineral essential for muscle relaxation, nerve signaling, and preventing cramps in the legs. Magnesium deficiency is common in older adults and is strongly associated with muscle weakness and tingling sensations. The antioxidants in spinach protect existing collagen from breakdown caused by inflammation and oxidative stress, helping preserve joint flexibility and muscle strength. Broccoli is another powerful vegetable that plays a direct role in collagen protection. It contains vitamin C, vitamin K, and sulforaphane, a plant compound that helps slow collagen degradation. Sulforaphane also supports detoxification pathways in the liver, reducing inflammation throughout the body. Chronic low-grade inflammation accelerates collagen breakdown and contributes to joint stiffness and nerve discomfort. Regular consumption of broccoli supports stronger connective tissue, improved circulation, and better nerve function in the hands and legs.
Sweet potatoes provide unique benefits for seniors struggling with weakness or nerve issues. They are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for tissue repair, immune health, and skin regeneration. Sweet potatoes also provide complex carbohydrates that deliver steady energy without causing blood sugar spikes. Stable blood sugar is critical for nerve health, as elevated glucose levels damage nerves and worsen tingling sensations. The potassium in sweet potatoes supports muscle contraction and nerve signaling, helping improve leg strength and coordination. Carrots are another vegetable that supports collagen and nerve health through their high beta-carotene content. Beta-carotene helps protect collagen fibers from oxidative damage and supports skin thickness and elasticity. Carrots also contain antioxidants that reduce inflammation in joints and blood vessels. Healthy blood vessels are essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to nerves and muscles, especially in the hands and legs. Improved circulation can significantly reduce numbness and weakness in older adults. Bell peppers, especially red and yellow varieties, are among the richest vegetable sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C is the cornerstone nutrient for collagen formation. Without it, the body cannot bind collagen fibers properly, leading to weaker connective tissue. Bell peppers also contain carotenoids and flavonoids that protect nerves and blood vessels from damage. Including bell peppers regularly can support joint resilience, improve skin integrity, and enhance nerve sensitivity. Beets play an important role in improving circulation and oxygen delivery. They contain nitrates that the body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. Better circulation means better nutrient delivery to muscles and nerves, reducing fatigue and weakness. Beets also support detoxification and reduce inflammation, both of which help preserve collagen and nerve health. Improved blood flow is particularly important for seniors experiencing cold hands, numb feet, or leg heaviness. Cabbage, including both green and purple varieties, is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and sulfur-containing compounds that support connective tissue repair. Cabbage helps reduce joint inflammation and supports gut health. A healthy digestive system is essential for nutrient absorption, especially protein and minerals needed for collagen repair. Fermented cabbage, such as sauerkraut, adds probiotics that further improve nutrient absorption and immune function. Zucchini and other squash varieties provide hydration, fiber, and antioxidants that support collagen elasticity. Hydration is often overlooked, but collagen requires water to remain flexible and resilient. Dehydrated collagen becomes stiff and brittle, contributing to joint pain and reduced mobility. Zucchini also provides vitamin B6, which supports nerve function and reduces inflammation-related nerve discomfort. In addition to choosing the right vegetables, how they are prepared matters. Overcooking vegetables can destroy vitamin C and other heat-sensitive nutrients. Light steaming, sautéing, or consuming raw vegetables, when appropriate, preserves their nutritional value. Pairing vegetables with healthy fats, such as olive oil, improves the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamin A and vitamin K, enhancing their benefits for collagen and nerve health. Habits strongly influence how well the body uses these nutrients. Excess sugar intake accelerates collagen breakdown through glycation, a process that stiffens connective tissue and damages nerves. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which interferes with collagen production and muscle repair. Poor sleep reduces growth hormone release, which is essential for tissue regeneration. Even the best diet cannot fully compensate for unhealthy habits, but small improvements can make a significant difference. Light physical activity is one of the most powerful stimulators of collagen production. Walking, resistance band exercises, stretching, and balance exercises send signals to the body to strengthen connective tissue and muscles. Movement increases blood flow, improves nerve communication, and helps nutrients reach target tissues more effectively. Seniors who remain active tend to preserve mobility and independence far longer than those who are sedentary. There are many myths surrounding aging and weakness. One common myth is that muscle and nerve decline are unavoidable after 60. While aging does bring changes, rapid decline is often driven by nutritional deficiencies, inactivity, inflammation, and poor circulation. Another myth is that supplements alone can reverse these issues. Supplements may help in some cases, but without a nutrient-rich diet, especially vegetables, body lacks the complex compounds needed for repair and protection. Consistently including collagen supporting vegetables in daily meals can lead to noticeable improvements over time. Stronger legs, steadier balance, reduced tingling, improved grip strength, and better overall energy are common benefits reported by seniors who improve their diet and lifestyle. These changes do not happen overnight, but the body responds remarkably well when given the right tools. Aging does not mean losing strength, mobility, or independence. The human body is designed to repair itself throughout life, even after 60, by nourishing it with the right vegetables, staying hydrated, moving daily, and reducing harmful habits. It is possible to support collagen production, protect nerves, and maintain mobility for years to come. Small daily choices, repeated consistently, create powerful long-term results.